Welcome to Demo. Public data on the FDA website shows that the agency has issued numerous 483 warning letters related to documentation errors across the industry. The pharmaceutical industry is highly regulated and complex. One of the principles is what's not documented never happened. This presents companies with the challenge of creating and processing thousands of paper records such as batch records, cleaning worksheets, work orders, lab data, logbooks, etc. Here is an example of batch documentation errors seen in typical pharmaceutical or medical device companies. This pie chart illustrates the spectrum of documentation failures plaguing pharmaceutical and medical device companies, from GDP violations and calculation mishaps to insufficient entries and administrative oversights. The current reality? Thousands of paper records are processed by hand, demanding meticulous verification that consumes time and drains resources and still leaves the door open for human error.
A typical pharmaceutical or medical device manufacturing process involves scanning of paper records, batch records, cleaning worksheets, APR, and work order or validation documents. The AI Agent Factory system doesn't just process your batch records and worksheets, it scrutinizes them, hunting for missing entries, GDP errors, and calculation mistakes. Yellow highlights appear wherever issues lurk, offering crystal-clear feedback on potential areas that require correction. Your operations team catches problems before quality review even begins, whether during processing or right after batch completion. No more layers of tedious manual reviews. No more delays in batch release. This saves multiple levels of manual reviews, saving precious time to release the batch and in turn reduce the quality cost of the batch. This system can run in background, where the system can run analysis on multiple batches in a day, week, or month. Another challenge is that paper record data cannot be analyzed for trends. For example, how many batches in the last 3 months have deviations, because of pump failure or out of specification from QC results? It is difficult to identify patterns in paper records. The operation or quality team manually searches paper records and converts them into an Excel sheet to trend data or support audit. The AI Agent Factory system converts paper information into electronic data, CSV, or JSON format. No special IT or programming experience is needed to download and process this file. Any operations, quality, or non-IT person can create this data and perform the analysis. This is Monik and Ashish from AI Agent Factory. For more information about product, contact at agentfactory.us.